so fucking hard to figure out like an angle to do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adriana, and for today's video, we're about to do the usual, we're about to do a Boxycharm unboxing and a smoke with me Boxycharm unboxing. If you like these types of videos, or if you like my videos in general, please like and subscribe. I love these type of videos, even though I don't get that many views, but for the few people that actually watch my videos, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, I'm just gonna smoke this bowl. Let's just chill for a second and then we can go ahead to see what we have. Sorry for the mess. I'm kind of organizing my stuff. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna kind of leave that there. If you hear some noise in the background, it's my lamp. It's my fan. I'm just kind of letting the, smoke kind of travel because, I don't know, I just don't want the smoke to, I don't want to hotbox this room. That's what I'm trying to say. So, how's everyone's, fuck, I didn't get a toothpick. So, how's, everyone's New Year coming along? Mine's alright. Actually, last year and kind of this year, I've been getting a lot of art projects, which is pretty good. Then it kind of sucks because I have, like, so many art ideas and projects in mind that I want to do, but then I get projects kind of in the way. Not in the way, because I'm obviously getting paid to do it, but I'm getting projects done, so I kind of rather focus on that if I have work and just other stuff that I have to focus on. So I went to Ulta today and I got this. I wasn't planning on getting anything, but I got one thing and it was under 10 bucks. So that's pretty good. It's a new liquid lipstick by NYX. It's called Line and Load. Let's see if you can see it. You can kind of see it. Anyways, it's supposed to be like a mix between a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, because look, isn't that kind of weird? Well, you can't fucking see it. You can kind of see it, but not that much. But it's not too bad. I did mix it with like another liquid lipstick and that it does its job, so I ain't mad. I ain't mad. There's normally, sorry, people come and go upstairs, and of all the times I'm trying to film, they want to come, so they're here. I always fuck up on my videos, I swear. Good enough. Let's just get to it because I keep fucking up. Okay, the first thing is Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. To be honest, it's been a while since I got something from Tarte because the last thing that I got was I think like they're gel foundation, and that shit made me break out so much. The only thing I do use from them is the Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't use it under my eye because I don't like how it looks under my eye. It's too drying, so I use it as a an eyeshadow primer. Ooh, this is actually really pretty though. But there's only like literally like one transition shade or one matte shade, and it's this right here. I will say though, like most of these shades I might use because I like just the shimmery shades all over my lid, kind of like what I'm doing right now. And I don't know, these colors are pretty nice, so I will say I will give this a shot. I'll see if this is a yes or a no. Okay. The next thing, not that I'm picky, but okay. The next thing is something that I've gotten before. I know I have it, but it's the Briogeo Rosarco. It's the Briogeo Rosarco milk. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. This is how it looks like, if you can see. Oh, there you go. I'm still down to use this. I need a lot of conditioning sprays because your girl's hair. Actually, let me just try it right now. Ugh. I just hope the spray. Oh yeah, see? It smells good too. Oh, wait, it does feel nice. Okay. The next thing is $1 billion brows. I've heard of this. I've actually heard of this brand before, and I was tempted to buy it, but I never did. So good thing I actually got it in this box. I'm just looking for the shade. Okay, I don't know what the shade is, but it's a brow pencil. This is how it looks like. That looks very nice, I think. I think so. Should I try it? Because, I mean, I know my brows are done. I'm just gonna have to try that when I don't have any product in my brows. Okay, next product is Ofra. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in Miami Fever. Okay, first of all, it smells nice. It smells like cupcakes. This is how it looks like. That's actually a pretty nice color. It's a really pretty color. I don't know if I would wear it on my own, on its own. I'm not gonna lie, the packaging is kind of weirding me out, only because, okay, so you can tell right here, it's a little empty. And actually, I don't even think if this thing had any wrapping on it, so is it safe to use, you think? Let me know if you got one of these and it came with a wrapper or without. I think that was the end of it too. Okay. I think this is the last product. Oh, there's two. Oh, hell yeah, there's two. What is this? Two of them? These are the Tatcha luminous What is this? Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I'm actually very excited to use this because your girl is too cheap to buy stuff from Tatcha, even though I really want to try that Tatcha primer because, you know, all the gurus are saying like, oh my god, it's so good. So, you know, like I have to get it since all the gurus are saying that they like it. So, I want it, but I think it's like, I don't know how much it is, to be honest, but I just don't want to spend that money. And you're spending 20 bucks to get all this stuff. And I'm pretty sure these alone, let me see, because I think that's the last product. Okay, so the Tatcha mask itself, if you can see, let's see. Okay, yeah, so the Tatcha mask itself is $24 and the box is $20. So instead of going to Sephora and getting 2 of these for $24, you get the Boxycharm, you spend 20 bucks and you get both, you get 2 of these plus a brow product plus an eyeshadow palette. Like, is that it though? I'm just saying, like, isn't there usually more than one? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I'm not gonna lie, like I don't really care for it because it's kind of weirding me out because I think it was like half open, or not half open, it had no secure thing on it and it looks like it's half used. That kind of weirds me out. But other than that, like these other products, shit, I don't mind having these. Like I'm down to try this one. I'm so down to try this. Oh yeah, and I got this too. I forgot. Dude, I hella forgot about all these products that I got. Anyway, but that's actually, it's not bad. Like, I ain't mad. This alone right here is like an A+ for me. Overall, if I have to rate this box, this month's box, a 1 through 10, I give this an 8.5. 8.5. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.